Want to make multiple boxes automatically fit and wrap across different screen sizes? In this tutorial, we'll build a responsive Flexbox layout using just a few lines of CSS. Let's get started. Now let's create the main container for our boxes. Start with a div and give it the class container. Inside this container, create individual div elements with the class box. Add the numbers sequentially, starting from 1 and continuing all the way to 10. This gives us 10 separate boxes that we can control together using CSS. Because every box shares the same box class, we can apply the same styling to all of them at once. And because they're all placed inside the container, we can use Flexbox or other layout properties on the parent to control how these boxes are arranged. Let's begin with the CSS reset. Set the margin and padding to 0, removing the browser's default spacing. Then use box sizing, border box for predictable element sizing. For the body, add a midnight blue background and set the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Use display flex, then center the content horizontally and vertically with justify content and align items. Finally, add 20 pixels of padding around the page. Now, let's style the container that holds all our boxes. Set display to flex, then use Flex-Wrap. Wrap so the boxes can move onto new lines when there isn't enough space. Add a 20 pixel gap between each box. Set the width to 100%. Next, give the container a subtle transparent white background and add 20 pixels of padding. Set the border radius to 12 pixels for rounded corners. Finally, add a subtle 1 pixel border using a low opacity white color. Now let's style each individual box. Set the background to royal blue and the text color to white. Increase the font size to 36 pixels, then set the font weight to bold so the numbers stand out clearly. Add padding of 60 pixels vertically and 50 pixels horizontally. Center the text using text align, center. Next, give each box a 10 pixel border radius for rounded corners. Finally, set the flex property to 1:280. This allows each box to grow, shrink, and maintain a base width of 280 pixels. And that's how you can use Flexbox Wrap to create a responsive box layout. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more quick CSS tutorials.